So this is a multi-merge node, and what it does put simply is convert multiple inputs into a single output by merging or layering them together. So you can think of it, if I had one input which was a green circle, another input which was a yellow circle, and then another input which was some text, it would merge them together, overlaying them on top of each other to create a single output. On a multi-merge node, you have your input background, which is the background layer of the merging. You then have your input layers, which are the layers on top of that background merged on top. Then you have the mask input, which is a mask that can affect the multi-merge, and then your main output, which is the output with the combined result. You can have many different input layers on a multi-merge node, which is why when you connect something into that white triangle, it will immediately create another white triangle on the node for you, so you can connect your next layer should you want to. Here in the Fusion tab, to create a multi-merge node, I'll drag it from the toolbar into the current clip. Now I've created a few text nodes here with some different stylings to show how it can work. Now if we open up our multi-merge node by selecting it so that we can see it in the inspector panel, we'll see we have two sections. We have our layer list and then our controls for that layer. The controls for the layer are very similar to what you'd find in a transform node, with some controls from a merge node mixed in there too. Now in the layer list, we can reorganize the order of any of these by dragging any of the items and moving it above another. Now the hierarchy works from top to bottom, so the top item in this layer list will appear above the ones beneath it. Now you'll see that the background input is not displayed in this layer list. On this layer list also we have a checkbox next to each item, which allows us to enable and disable its view. If any of the concepts in this video around the nodes and the inputs and outputs of them were confusing to you, you can check out my other video on the basics of nodes in Davinci Resolve.